In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invest in S&P 500 eToro. This walkthrough is for educational purposes only, and it's designed to help you navigate the platform with confidence if you're looking to get broad exposure to the US stock market through an S&P 500 ETF. First, log into your eToro account on the app or the web platform. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that your account is fully set up. If you use extra security like two-factor authentication, have that ready. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Next, find the search bar at the top of the screen on desktop or at the top of the app. Tap or click it to begin your search. Type the ETF ticker you want to invest in, for example, SPY. That's one of the most well-known S&P 500 ETFs. You may also see similar funds in the results. Before proceeding, double-check that what you've selected is categorized as an ETF on eToro and is available in your region. Select the ETF from the results, then click or tap Trade. This opens the order ticket. Take a moment to review the instrument page first if you'd like. Glance at the chart, read the description, and look at any relevant fee information. This context helps you confirm you're choosing the product you intend to buy. Now enter the amount you want to invest. eToro supports fractional investing on many ETFs, so you don't need to buy a whole share. Keep in mind any minimums and consider whether currency conversion might apply to your account. This can affect your final cost. For a long-term buy and hold approach, choose X1, which means no leverage. This setting aims to purchase the underlying asset where available and avoids the added risk and potential overnight fees that come with leveraged positions. Leverage can amplify gains and losses, and it's generally not aligned with a long-term investing strategy. When everything looks right, click Open Trade to invest. This places a market order at the current available price. If the market is closed, your order will typically queue and execute when it opens. Afterward, you can monitor your position in the portfolio section, track performance over time, and, if you wish, adjust settings like take profit or stop loss later based on your own strategy. That's it. You've learned how to find an S&P 500 ETF on eToro, review it, choose a sensible X1 setting for long-term investing, and place your trade with clarity and confidence.